Back it up slowly, slowly. Cranes are ready on this side. Watch the stack, keep it steady. Heads up, coming through. Okay, set it down right here, easy now.
The massive aluminum sheets are precisely fed into the high-precision cutting machines, ensuring accuracy for the train assembly.
Final alignment checks complete. Clear the zone.
Confirmed. Press descending.
Alignment on section 4 is confirmed. The green lasers show perfect synchronization.
Roger that. Proceeding with the welding sequence initiation.
As the hydraulic clamps secure the frame, the automated welders attach the reinforcement ribs with pinpoint accuracy.
Easy, easy. Bring it left a foot. Hold it right there, we're locked. Check the penetration on this last section.
Seems consistent. The automated feed is calibrated correctly.
Look at the fluctuation here at the mounting point.
That's within the acceptable tolerance, the laser confirms it.
The carriage is approaching the stop point now.
Confirmed. Alignment looks good. We are clear for docking.
All parameters checked out green.
Confirmed. Proceed to conveyor. We have to monitor the temperature closely before the robot moves it to the assembly station. Check the induction levels on line 3.
Readings are stable, Supervisor. The mounting is complete.
All right, clear the zone. We're beginning the lift sequence.
Confirmed. Starting the ascent now.
Okay, hold it right there. A little to the left, slow now.
Alignment is complete on my side. Pass me the torque wrench.
Roger that. All right, the shaft is seated. Check the alignment on your side. Looks good. Torquing the final bolts now. The cable bundle's just arrived.
Align the connectors with the port. Ensure the clamp is fully secured before we finalize the sequence. All readings on the tablet are nominal.
Good. The thermal exchange couplings are secured.
mechanical chassis transfers to the electrical systems department, where technicians begin installing the electronic control units and sensors.
Is the power conduit clear on your side?
Confirmed. Proceeding with the lift.
Okay, slowly lift the cabinet now. Watch the clearance on the left side. Copy that.
Copy that. Moving up.
Guide the main harness to the connector tray.
It's aligned. Secure the clips.
Vibration levels are stable.
Speed sensor calibration complete on Module 4.
Check the fiber connection on port 7.
It's secure. The robots are initiating the interface sequence now.
Are we clear on the wiring diagram for the communication panel?
Yes, page 42 confirms the sequence. System diagnostics are green across the board.
All connections secure on this end. We are ready for integration.
Power sequence initiated. Levels are nominal.
Holographic array is stable. All systems green.
Confirmed. Begin slow track movement.
All right, guide it slowly to section 3. Watch the alignment on the left side. Clear, moving into position now. Alignment on Module 4 looks good.
Confirmed. The robotics are securing the bolts now. The alignment on the upper rail is within tolerance.
Confirmed. The sealing mechanism is fully integrated.
Ensure the alignment is precise before the sealant is applied.
Looks good from here. The robot is steady, steady.
All final checks complete on this section.
Signage and displays are fully commissioned. Ready for handover.
Check complete. Windows sealed. Ready for paint shop.
Automated precision ensures a flawless finish as the bullet train panels are prepared for the primer coating station.
Check the viscosity on section 3. Looks within tolerance, moving to the next stage.
The bullet train carriage enters the massive paint curing oven. Here, intense heat systems dry the primer layer.
Keep the temperature steady as it exits.
Holding at 200 degrees. The finish is perfect.
Final checks complete on the exterior panels.
Acknowledged. We are clear to move to the high-speed track.
Cable 1 secure.
Acknowledged. Running system checks now.
Are the sensor arrays secured on the forward section?
Yes, alignment is perfect. We are ready for the initial rollout.
Traction levels increasing as expected.
Data consistent across all bogies, approaching target speed.
Initiating braking sequence.
Acknowledged. We are seeing immediate response on the friction sensors.
Initial analysis shows successful deployment.
Stopping distance confirmed. The results are excellent.
Maintain the frequency at 50 Hertz.
Readings are stable. No resonance detected.
complete. All systems check out on my side.
Confirmed. Requesting authorization for transfer to delivery hall.
Doors are clear. Proceed to Bay 3 for final inspection.
Roger that. Proceeding to Bay 3.
The alignment on the forward assembly looks precise.
Confirmed. Let's run the thermal scan on the couplings now.
Door mechanism cycled successfully.
Checksum matches. Seal integrity is optimal.
That's the 10th cycle, still within tolerance.
Recording the data now. The fluctuation stabilized after the adjustment.
Power distribution looks stable across all phases.
Confirmed. The sensor data aligns with the schematic.
System verification is complete. We are good to proceed.
Check the next window section, making sure there are no streak slabs. All clear on this side.
Clear the path. The transport system is engaging.
Rails secured. Proceed slowly to the external network. Guide the coupling onto track 1. Confirmed. Track 1 aligned. All clear signal sent.
All teams confirm final status.
Undercarriage secure, systems nominal. Ready for launch.
Roger that. Clear for departure.
Diagnostics complete.
Systems check green. Ready for departure.
Acknowledged. Engaging traction control.
It's magnificent. All the hard work finally paid off.
Track clear. All signals green. Proceed to mainline speed.
Attention all units, maintain current positions. Crane, you are clear to lower the load onto track 4.
We need to adjust the manifest for the Kyoto route.
I already sent the update. Check screen 4.
A triumph of modern engineering. The bullet train links our cities like never before. And this is how modern factories produce bullet trains from start to finish.